My people, I dey salute. How una dey? I no quick come do any video this week because cold too much, eh? Our temperature for here now, e don reach like -11. Today now na -10. So snow full everywhere, cold dey well well. But the thing wey do me pass be say, I know say no be only me. Una sef dey hear as una wake up at least every week, 2 or 3 people wey una know go don die. Same with me here. Throughout last week, either dem dey bury somebody wey I know or the person wey I know die. The thing worry me too much. But I don dey think the matter say, no say when person die, e dey make us think plenty. I con dey think say e go good make all of us ready for this thing, because I know say we no like to think am and we no like to talk am, but everybody go die one day, ba? All of us go die. We no know as we take come. We no choose family wey we take come. We no choose country wey we take come. And as we no know how we take come, na so we no go know the day and how we go take go. But one thing be sure be say, as we come, na so we go go back to where we come from. For some of our language, dem go say person go market. This our life na like you go market. When you go market, you no sleep for market now. When you finish market, you go home, abi? So the thing wey carry you go market, you go do am. You go do am finish and you go home. So make we look this place as say na journey we journey come do for here. Anything wey we suppose to do here, make we do am to the best of our ability, as God give us power to do. Make we do am, because we know say when we leave this place, dem send us message go market, we go report back for who send us. Make e be say when we go report back, then the person wey send us go say, well done, oh, you do well, make you come enter heaven. And all of us believe say our life no dey finish for here. At least for our culture, no matter wetin we believe, we know say life dey outside this place. Say this one na body take cover am, but our real person go back to where e come from. So me, I wan talk say, as we don know this thing and the thing sure for everybody, make all of us start to prepare. If we get children, make we start to prepare. And we get property, how dem go share property, so that when we go, dem no go dey fight. If we no go school and we no sabi, make we ask people wey sabi do am, make dem write am for us, make dem keep am for us. Make we prepare our mind. If we dey quarrel with anybody, true, make we try forgive them. If we never see people, e don tey, make we ask for them, because sometimes we go ask for them, dem go say sorry, the person don die. Na the thing wey do me 3 weeks ago be that. I dey ask for somebody, I no know say the person don die 2 weeks before me go dey ask for am. So and that kind thing can pain somebody. So I dey beg us, make we try. As we dey take care of our body, make we take care of our spirit, make we take care of our mind, so that we know say by the time when we dey go, nothing spoil. We go dey confident, we no go dey fear to die. Because I know say plenty of us, we dey fear to die, but we know say the thing na sure. If we talk to our children sef, some of them go dey say dem no wan hear. But na the truth be say, our papa wey born us, like me now, my papa don die since over 40 years now. When we dey small, na him die. So we don say this thing, e go happen to everybody. And for some of us, for some people now, na sorry dem go tell you. When we sef go, na so dem go dey tell our own people sorry too. But sorry no go bring anybody come back. So anything wey we fit do now, make we just try dey do am. Make we live our life in such a way wey we no go dey regret. And if we offend people, make we no dey too proud to tell them sorry, make dem no vex. E no go do us anything now. Sorry no dey tear body now. So my people, make we think this thing, make we consider this thing, make we take care of ourselves. As we dey take care of our body, dey eat right, make we also take care of our mind, make we take care of our spirit. Say all together, everything complete, everything dey right. Make we prepare ourselves, make we prepare our life, make we prepare our things wey we go leave behind. Everything make we arrange am, so that even when e come, e no go surprise anybody. I think na the best way to handle this thing be that. Then we go dey confident to relax, enjoy the life wey we get for here. So I thank una, all of una wey dey encourage me, wey dey watch my video, dey send me suggestions. I thank una well well. Wey dey comment, abeg make una comment, make una dey like am. And if you get anything wey una wan make I talk, make una tell me. Nothing spoil, make una enjoy una sef. Bye.